Tuesday morning. Two meteorologist Travis Klineski here to kick off our Tuesday morning as the skies have been clearing up. A few clouds left in eastern Nebraska. We have just a little bit of a breezy northwest wind. It will actually be fairly breezy throughout the day today. Let's take a look at our future cast here. Now, a lot of sunshine for most of the day. I think we could see a couple of clouds come later in the day. The strongest winds in eastern Nebraska, a little bit lighter out west. Now, I want to turn your attention to, you'll see the wind shift from southwest to northeast as we go through the night tonight. That is actually a warm front that's lifting northeastward. Look at that wind shift now in northeast Nebraska and then moving out of the state there. That's a warm front, so temperatures may actually rise later in the night. We'll see partly cloudy skies overnight. That warm front's going to allow for a very mild day across the area tomorrow. How about 50s and even a few 60s for highs on a partly cloudy Wednesday? Don't get used to it, but enjoy it while we have it, because unfortunately that cold or warm front lifting to the northeast, while it retreats back to the south as a cold front as we move into Wednesday night and Thursday, and we're going to chill right back down, and there are no big warm-ups coming in our forecast after today anytime in the foreseeable future, and in the next 10 days at least, and maybe even beyond. In fact, I'm looking at the long-range forecast, but I'm going to talk about that more. We may not see much warmth again until March. Yeah, it does not look like a good end to February right now. But let's talk about the next couple of days here. First off, today, highs returning to the 20s, 30s, and 40s, almost 50 in southwest Nebraska. We'll go with upper 30s to near 40 in the Tri-Cities. Still in the 20s in places like Norfolk and O'Neill. Tonight, our lows falling back into the teens and 20s. We may actually climb a few degrees, though, later in the night as that warm front moves through, so our low may actually come just after midnight tonight. Look at that tomorrow, though. This is a good-looking map here. I wish I could say this, it's going to stay this way. It's not. So take advantage of your Wednesday, because it will be a nice day. And it's not even going to be that windy tomorrow. South winds of 5 to 15 miles per hour, so not that windy. But a lot of 50s, and yes, even a few places into the 60s. Smith Center, Lexington, McCook, lower 60s for highs. Maybe still a few 40s remaining in the far eastern and northeastern part of the state. And then here comes the next shot of cold air. Look at the wide range in temperatures on Thursday. And it will be a fairly windy day as well on Thursday. North and northwest winds will be fairly strong. Teens up north, 20s. 30s, 40s across the south, low to mid 30s in the Tri-Cities. There's going to be a pretty sharp temperature gradient, and we may actually see the temperature drop a little bit later in the day. So the cold air returning to the area on Thursday, and it's only going to get worse from there, folks. So again, breezy northwest winds today, but a lot of sunshine until the end of the day. Upper 30s, upper 50s tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies, partly to mostly cloudy Valentine's Day Thursday. A little windy, not windy, but a little windy for you Thursday with a high of 34. And then how about 22 on Friday and a round of snow for the area. This does not look like an overly heavy snowfall. I would put our snowfall totals around 1 to 3 inches at this point. Maybe some slightly higher amounts. Not even that much wind. That's the good news, is we don't see a lot of wind blowing that snow around Friday. We get a break Friday night just in time for another system to come through, and this one's now looking more aggressive than it did at this time yesterday. So I've bumped up that snowfall chance for Saturday and for Saturday night. And as of right now, this one probably looks like now the most aggressive snow chance here. This one could be kind of in that 1 to 4 inch range, but I could potentially see totals maybe even getting higher than that. So while maybe not a super heavy snowfall, this is kind of that light to moderate accumulating snow that we could be seeing Saturday and Saturday night. We'll get a break on Sunday, a little breezy on Sunday and colder on Sunday. It's just not warming up much. And then how about Monday? Monday snow, Monday into Monday night, Monday afternoon into Monday night. Does not look like a big snowmaker at this point, but of course, as we know, forecast models change, things change as you get closer to the time frame, but it does look like it's going to be pretty cold on President's Day Monday, so no warm-ups coming anytime soon. In fact, that 10-day forecast, some Wednesday sticks out first off, but beyond Wednesday, just nothing real nice to hang our hat on all the way through the 21st of February. And I've been looking at some long-range forecast models, more for pattern trends. You don't really like to look at them, more for actual snow or actual high temperatures, low temperatures, anything like that. But looking at trends, it looks like we're going to stay below average through much of the rest of the month. There is towards the end of the month, it looks like we might see more of a big ridge out west and a trough in the east, and the hope is maybe as we move into early March, that trough will move into the central United States and really start, that ridge out west will start to move into the central United States and start to maybe warm us up into early March. But as of right now, there is just not a lot of warmth. That Wednesday high there, 58, that is certainly a day that sticks out as more of a rarity than the norm coming up over the next week and a half or so. So with that, I'll let y'all go. Hope y'all got all the information you need. I will actually be gone tomorrow. Kit's going to be doing a one-day fill-in for me. I have a few things that'll be going on for me tomorrow, so I cannot be in tomorrow. But it's going to be like that the next couple weeks. I have a day off here and a day off there. But tomorrow's my day this week that I'll be taking off. So I'll be back on Thursday morning, just in time for the colder air to come in, of course. But hey, that means I have a day off on a nice day, so I guess I'll enjoy that. So with that, take care. Enjoy the forecast. Enjoy the little bit of a thaw today. Watch out for falling ice. If you happen to be around larger structures like trees and especially towers like here, a northwest wind is going to be blowing all that ice as it falls and that sun comes out right into our parking lot. So I'm going to have to park about a mile down the road to stay away from that. But yeah, watch for falling ice today as well. I'll mention that. So with that, take care. God bless. I'll see you all again on Thursday morning. Bye.